Hello there, in this tutorial I am gonna show you how you can remove powered by Shopify text. So it's very easy. Let's get started. First we are going to our Shopify admin panel, and here on the left panel we can see online store. Click on that. Now here you can see customize tab and click on three dot icon, and here click edit code. And before do this, please make sure you have a backup website. Now search for footer, and here you can see footer.liquid. Just click on that. Now click any of text and hit Ctrl F, and here write powered. Click next, and here you can see powered by link. Just delete this line and click save. Now let's check. Now refresh the page, and here you can see the powered by Shopify text is gone. So this is the way you can remove Shopify powered by text. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.